How can mail merge create unique tracking numbers automatically? Imagine sending out hundreds of packages or letters and needing each one to have its own special tracking number. It might seem like a lot of work, but with the right tools, it becomes simple and quick. Mail merge in Microsoft Word is a powerful feature that helps you create personalized documents like address labels and envelopes. It works by combining a template with a data source, usually an Excel spreadsheet, to produce individual documents for each recipient. To make each document have a unique tracking number, you need to prepare your Excel file carefully. First, add a column specifically for tracking numbers. Each row in this column should have a different code, like a serial number, order ID, or a custom code you create. You can generate these numbers automatically in Excel using formulas. For example, the row function can give you a simple sequence starting from 1. You can also combine text and numbers using the concatenate function to make more complex codes. Once your tracking numbers are set up in Excel, you insert a merge field into your Word template that corresponds to this column. When you run the mail merge, each document pulls in the tracking number from the Excel file and displays it in the right place. This way, every label or envelope will show a different tracking number, making it easy to identify each package or letter later. If you want to generate tracking numbers automatically within Excel, you can use formulas to create a sequence. For example, you can type one in the first row of your tracking number column, then drag the fill handle down to fill in the rest with increasing numbers. Or, you can use the concatenate function to add initials, dates, or other data to make each code unique. This process saves time and reduces errors because you don't have to type each number manually. In a real-world example, suppose you are sending out hundreds of packages. You prepare your Excel list with recipient addresses and a column for tracking numbers. You generate the numbers with a formula, then set up your Word label template with merge fields for the address and tracking number. When you run the mail merge, it creates a sheet of labels, each with a different tracking number ready for printing. Remember, mail merge itself doesn't create the tracking numbers. It only transfers the data from Excel into your documents. The key is how you prepare your Excel file. You can even use Excel macros or scripts to generate more complex tracking codes if needed. But the main idea stays the same. You create your tracking numbers in Excel, then merge them into your Word documents. So, in short, mail merge can display unique tracking numbers on each document by pulling data from a dedicated column in your Excel file. To make these numbers automatically, you set up formulas in Excel to generate the sequence or codes you want. This method makes mass mailing, labeling, and tracking much easier and more organized. Mastering both the Excel data setup and the Word mail merge process is the best way to automate your document creation and keep everything running smoothly.